Hey, you out! It's your girl, the internet hoe. And for today's vlog, mga curls, right now we are in... So right now, mga curls, we're in Pangasinan and we're staying in the Monarch Hotel right now. For today's vlog, mga curls, I'm pretty sure some of you know this already, but finally got a new car! And also, since we're in Pangasinan, syempre naman, malapit siya sa Manawag. So we're gonna get our new car blessed. Like, new year, new whip, diba? Like, who is she? And also for today's vlog, kasama ko yung kuya ko. Kasi, yeah, I bought a car, but my dumb ass, I don't even know how to drive. Yeah. Pero kinuha ko yung kotse kasi it's such a good price. So, I'm also with my brother. Say hi, bro. So, yeah, just gonna get ready and then I'm gonna show you my OOTD and we're gonna head out to Manawag. I love Manawag kasi it's like one of my favorite places in the world. I also want to go to Manawag because we're just so grateful na we're able to survive 2020. So, I'm also gonna be praying not just for ourselves and saying thank you, but also I want to pray also for the world. And yeah, we're gonna be praying for a brighter 2021. And I'll be right back. And also, mga curls, I just want to share a life hack. I got this thing. This is like a travel kit na you can hang in your door. I normally put my toothbrush here, pero sinet up ko siya dito, and like my toothpaste, my facial wash. But you can like keep stuff in here like makeup, deodorant, shampoo, and stuff in here. And then ang laki niya, malaki yung space niya. And then you can like hang it para it's like tipid sa space and it fits in your travel bag. I'll link this one below. Super helpful if you're traveling. I highly recommend this. I'm just gonna get ready. So this is like literally my updated makeup routine. I put sunscreen first. This is the Innisfree sunscreen. And then I just put eyebrows on. This is Benefits Precisely My Brow, number 4. My concealer, when I don't wear makeup, is LA Girl in Pure Beige. And then I just set my eyebrows with Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. Then I just set my face with Huda Beauty's Pound Cake. I really love Huda Beauty setting powder. Then I just put mascara on. The Maybelline Lash Lift is my favorite mascara. Like, literally, it's my favorite. And then after that, I just put on blush. This is Velvet Flush in the shade Lucas. I freaking love that cream blush. Then lipstick is Happy Skin Fresh Brew. Yan lang. That's my only makeup. I like to keep it fresh, clean, and simple. So, this is the vibes. So cute. See you guys in church. Dito kami guys, pero hindi kami natulog kasi ang daming tao. Ano oras na ngayon? It's like...
Dapat binidyo mo yung pila.
Well, we actually did, and here's what it looks like. Ooh, look at all those people. Ang daming tao. So, yun, hindi kami natuloy. So, bali bukas na kami na maaga kasi ang init din eh, like hindi kaya. So, see you tomorrow. So, ayun, bumalik na muna kami sa hotel. We're gonna stay here for one night. Tapos, mamaya mag-Q&A muna tayo with my brother. Then, tomorrow na kami magsisimba. At saka this time, aagahan namin. Bro. Okay. Parang ayaw ng putas. Our room is so cute. This is our room. It's just like spacious. It has 2 beds. Ang gusto ko dito yung CR. Very maluwag. Tapos nakakapayat yung mirror. Woo! Ayun. Yeah, that's a little room tour for you guys. And then there's also a mirror over here. I kept my bags. Monarch Hotel for y'all. Super affordable lang. So, our hungry asses ordered some food. What do we have? We have this is baked, no?
Yeah.
So we have baked salmon, overloaded fries, some gravy, and roasted chicken. Chicken wings! So, magka-Q&A kami ni Kuya. Tingnan natin kung sibling goals tayo. Are you ready, bro?
Yeah, bring it on.
Okay. Dito tayo. First question we have from Miss Hazel King. Sabi niya, what do you hate about each other? Ako dati, ang damot niya. Sobrang damot. Tapos ano ko niya, Kuya, hatid mo ako. Busy ako. Bakit mo lang ginagawa?
Wait lang, ako.
Hate mo sa akin. Tingin mabait ako.
Mabait siya.
O, diba? Wala akong atraso dyan. Mabait ako niyan. Next question. We have a lot, bro. His reaction nung sinabi mong magtra-transition ka.
Okay lang. First of all, buhay niya yan eh. Nandito lang naman kami para mag-support sa kanya.
Wait, as a dude and also as a straight boy, anong mga message mo sa mga gusto mag-transition dyan na may younger sister? Your younger sister, may younger kapatid sila.
Support mo lang. Kasi naman, tao dito, guluhin mo sila. Buhay nila yan eh.
Kaysa mag-drugs, diba?
Oo.
At least I'm helping the fam, right?
Yeah.
Swag!
About the food though.
It's on my credit card. Anong favorite bonding nyo? Ito, kain. Kain, gala. Yan, dalawa yan. Tapos minsan magyayaya pa yan out of nowhere. Busy ka, tapos tayo, tapos ako magbabayad. Sino mas dugyot nung bata? In fact, alam mo dati, no high school kami, ayaw niya lagi maligo. Tapos there was a time, binayaran ko pa siya para maligo.
Kasi hindi naman ako lumalabas ng bahay. Hindi ako lumalabas.
Pero ang baho ko talaga, dude. Tapos nagbayad ako. Ito 200 pesos. Who spends more money sa shopping? Ako. Me. Minsan, alam nyo, nag-shopping kami ng Christmas. Sabi ko, dinala ko siya sa Zara. Sabi ko, pili ka na anong gusto mo dyan. Tapos dinala ko na siya sa, tapos nadaanan namin Lacoste. Bili ka na anong gusto mo dyan. Alam mo, binili niya, isang kalo. Just a cap. Like, why? Who's older? Obviously, si Kuya mas matanda. You're 25.
25.
Ako 24 years old ako. Sino fave ni Mama? Actually, tatlo. Hindi. Ito tayo.
Oh, ikaw favorite ni Mama, bro.
Si Kuya favorite, yung pinaka-eldest, wala siya dito. Pero siya yung favorite talaga ni Mama eh.
Hindi, si Papa. Papa, favorite niya. Si Kuya. Tapos si Mama, ikaw.
Ako, middle child talaga.
Kasi yung bata pa kami, yung mama ko, gusto niya, babaeng anak yung bunso.
Oo.
Yung babas, bakla.
Pero actually, akala ni Mama dati nung buntis siya, babae ako.
Umaasa talaga siya, babae. Bakla talaga yung lumabas.
Sabi ni Lord, half-half na lang muna tayo dito. The most intense away you had with your brother, nagsuntukan tayo eh.
Black eyes eh.
Oo, grabe kaya iyak ko yun.
Tapos naawa ako, binigyan siya 1,000.
Naalala ko yun eh. Pikon ka kasi. Best at keeping secret. Ako magaling ako. Ito ang daldal. Ako minsan magsabi ng sikreto dito kasi after like 5 minutes, alam na ni Mama, alam na ni Papa. Ayoko na. Minsan may mga, sa ngayon may mga secrets ako, ayoko sabihin sa kanya. Minsan may mga plans ako in the future, ayoko sabihin sa kanya kasi kakala. Tapos, did you spoil each other? Yes! Kasi, yung kuya ko, parang sa buong family, siya yung unang nag-boom. Kumbaga, parang may negosyo, siya yung unang yumama. I don't want to say the word yumama or nagkapera. Pero tapos parang sila-spoil niya kami as a family. So, parang mas spoiled kami when he went off. Tapos ayun, tapos ako naman, bawi-bawi lang, ganon. Kasi, nung unemployed ako, siya nagtulog sa akin. Oh my God, share your most nakakatawa at nakakahiya moments.
Marami to. Kasi yung bata kami, ito talaga parang fail eh.
Pero ako wala akong maalala na embarrassing moment mo.
Gago tahimik lang kasi ako ng bata eh. Yung ano, yung most failure
Ano?
in the voice.
Ay! Oh yeah, kwento mo yun.
So ano, dati, nung 2010, 2012,
13.
13. 2013, nag-audition siya, The Voice. Tapos ako, syempre wala siyang kasama nun.
Oo.
So, sumama ako. Tapos, hinintay ko siya sa labas for 6 hours. Tapos, nalaman ko na lang nung lumabas siya, puta, hindi siya nakapasa. Tapos, hindi rin siya binigyan ng chance para magkanta, buisit.
Tapos alam mo, audition ako sa The Voice. Sabi pa ng producer, parang, okay, maraming salamat sa pagpunta nyo. Pwede na po kayong umalis.
Tingnan mo, 6 hours yun, no? Naghintay ako ng 6 hours for
Oo,
that.
pang ano ako, 2022.
2022?
Oo, candidate.
Pang ina.
Auditioning pala.
Diba, kung alam nyo, ang ABS-CBN may McDo sa labas, naghintay ako doon for 6 hours.
Malapit sa Pinoy Big Brother. Grabe.
Nagla ako na ako po, 6 hours.
Grabe, akalain mo yun. Gusto ko maging singer. Nyari.
Well, take note, yung audition song niya. Second Hand Serenade. Dahil na audition song, Second Hand Serenade. Hindi siya nag-audition, nag-i-emote ang puta.
Wala naman kayo. Pero look at me now, bitch! Who's most likely to get in trouble? Ito, sobrang problematic. Tapos lagi pinapainit ulo ni Mama. Tapos lagi niya inaasar si Mama. Tapos alam mo yung paggalit si Mama, inaasar niya pa. Ala, galit na naman siya! Who's the bully between you two? Ito, ang lakas tumantrip.
Grabe, binubuli namin yan dati, sobra. Way back 2008. Sobra, ito talagang binubuli namin na to. Ako at kuya. Basta dami namin kwento regarding sa mga event na binubuli namin siya.
At saka alam mo, alakas ng trip nila. Nung hindi pa ako tanggap nila Mama at Papa. Tapos pag syempre, nasa province pa kami nun eh. Tapos yung parents namin galing Dubai. Syempre uwi.
Oo.
Magbe-visit. Tapos inaasar niya, Ay, Johnray! Bago na siya!
Pero ngayon manhit na siya, tingnan mo kapag mag-comment kayo mga bashers, hindi siya nasasaktan. Na-trained na namin siya eh. Bata pa kami, binubuli namin.
Ito yung mga una kong bashers. Tapos yung mga dating kong video, nag-start ako ng YouTube channel, nagko-comment to, I'm your first basher. You suck, Johnray.
Nandun pa yan sa mga comment section.
Dinilit ko na, wala kaya ako.
Ano sa'yo, memories yun bro.
I'm your first
I'm
hater.
your first, tapos sinunod ka, I'm your first subscriber.
I'm your first subscriber, I'm your first hater, ang wala. Sino ba pogi sa inyo ni quiz nung bata pa kayo? Sino ba?
Tao dito.
Ang pangit ko nung bata ako, mukha akong ewan. Si kuya talaga yung pogi.
Yung kuya namin yun talaga.
Oo, I'll show you a picture. Ito yung... Ayan, tatlo kami dyan. Di ba, ang pangit ko, ang puta. Mukha akong cute, nakakatakot. How is it having a kapatid that's a YouTuber or influencer? Is it weird?
Awkward.
Paano
Lalo na
awkward?
pag lumalabas kami, ang dami nagpapapicture sa kanya.
Talaga ba? Na-awkward ka ba?
Wala, parang alam mo yun, nag-ano lang ako. Parang hindi ko na pinapansin.
Sa susunod, huwag na kayo magpa-picture sa akin. So, kain muna kami. And we'll be right back probably the next day kasi we're gonna go to church and get the car blessed. Sana naman hindi fail you this time.
The next day.
Good morning, mga curls! I don't wanna hear it. I don't wanna hear it. Yes, I know we're wearing the same clothes, but nagpalabada kami. Okay, so I don't wanna see those comments. So ayun, finally, maaga kami gumising mga 3 kasi na-trauma kami from yesterday. Grabe, ang daming tao, ang init. So right now, it's like 4:42 and we're gonna get there at 5. So makaka-attend tayo ng first mass, then pa-blessing. So yeah, tsaka gusto ko sa maaga at least malamig, diba? Like the morning dew. So I'm gonna see you guys once we get there and we're gonna light some candles and we're gonna pray for the world. Alright? Say good morning. Busy yung brother ko sa kakadive. Bro, what's good?
What's up?
So we got our candles and my brother bought 20 candles because why?
Kasi yung green, health, tapos blue, Thanksgiving, tapos red wish.
Ano wish mo? Don't tell me though. So ayan nga mga curls, we lighted all our candles. We go inside the church. Anong oras na ba? It's still early pa eh. We still have 30 minutes.
Tara, hintayin tayo sa loob.
Yeah. So we're gonna go inside. Alright, so we're done sa mass. We're gonna get the car blessed and like literally, like yeah, we're gonna get it blessed finally. Yesterday was an epic fail. Wala masyadong tao, so that's good. So you have to like literally come here like super early. We got, yeah, like Monday morning. We got here like 5 a.m. Gano'n kami kaagad dumating. So we're like literally gonna get a car blessed. All the windows have to be down and that thing has to be like open. I have no idea how cars work. God, my hair looks so blonde under the lights. The car is blessed. So I'm in one of the huts dito sa Monarch Hotel. The pool is really nice. And my brother is asleep kasi super napagod siya sa biyahe. And mag-check out kami in a bit. Since I don't know how to drive. Yeah, I bought a car but I don't know how to drive. And also,
hindi ko na-explain kung bakit bumili ako ng kotse kahit hindi ako marunong mag-drive. Kasi the price of the car is such a good price. Sobrang mura niya to the point na I'm worried na if I don't buy the car, baka masasold out siya by the time I get my license and by the time I know how to drive. Kaya I secured the car na, so I can always learn how to drive and I can always get a license. Pero the deal ng car is not always there. So that's why I decided to invest in a car and also magagamit ko siya in the future. But for the meantime, since I don't have a license, I can hire a driver naman eh. So makatipid ako ng Grab and also that vehicle is my own. Plus, safe pa din kasi I'm in my own vehicle. You know what I mean? I know it's sterilized. That's also one of the reasons why I decided to get a car as well. Super happy to finally say na I have my own car na I can't believe it, na kahit hindi ako marunong mag-drive, I still have my own car, bitch. Hindi ako marunong mag-drive, basta ganda lang yung ambag ko, ganon. Actually, right now, as talking right now, kinikilig ako na I can't wait for the day na I'm driving it na kasi, oh my god, like, I'll also do a car tour soon. I also want to travel this year and also comment below saan nyo ako gustong pumunta. Comment below where you want me to go, where do you want me to travel because I want to travel talaga. What a way to start 2021, right? Like, bitch, she started 2021 with her own whip. Thank you so much mga girls for watching this vlog and I really had fun and wala lang, kinikilig ako. So I'm gonna end the vlog here mga girls kasi it's gonna be a long biyahe from Pangasinan to Manila again. So, ayun, thank you so much mga girls for watching and I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Of course mga girls, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And very important mga girls, I can't scream right now kasi may mga, I can't like scream right now or be super loud kasi may mga bantay sa pool and they're like looking at me like I'm a weirdo on camera. So I'm just gonna whisper. So very important is to stay that you can. Mama da. How's it, okay? Bye guys.